Hi guys, I'm back. Today I'm going to teach you all how to make Pav Bhaji, and it's really very easy to make. So let's start. Here are the mixed vegetables: cauliflower, carrot, potatoes and green peas. This I am putting it to boil in a pressure cooker. We pressure cook this for 3 to 4 whistles, cool it and mash it. The vegetables are boiled and mashed. Why mashed? Because when my children were small, they used to not like eating vegetables. So the best way to give them good nutritious vegetables was to make Pav Bhaji. Mash up all the vegetables so that they will enjoy it. Wow, they used to say, wow, Pav Bhaji. Heat a pan. You'll use 100 grams of Amul Butter. In olden days, when parents used to make Pav Bhaji, they used to make it in a little harder way, the little tougher way, by soaking Kashmiri red chilies, soaking all these things. But you're making work much easier by using Kashmiri powdered chilies. So the color will come good and everything will be really delicious and saves time and doesn't burn your hands. The butter has melted. Now we'll add in the chopped onions. That's around 3 onions chopped. I will add some salt to the onions so that the onions become softer a little faster. The onions are sauteed into a nice pinkish color. We add in the 1 tablespoon of garlic. We mix it and let it cook for 1 minute. Two spoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Please note, Kashmiri red chili powder. Kashmiri red chili powder is mainly for the color of the Pav Bhaji. Now we put in the Pav Bhaji masala, 2.5 teaspoons. The masalas are well cooked. Now we add in the tomatoes. Let the tomatoes cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. The tomatoes are cooked. Now we add in the mashed vegetables. See, the color is so delicious. There's no artificial color to this. Put 2 big spoons of vegetable stock which you have boiled, in which the vegetables were boiled. Now let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Open the lid. Now we will add in capsicums. I put capsicum last is because it has a good flavor. It is good to taste, to eat, and it's much better that way. Pav Bhaji is ready and it's ready to dish out. The Pav Bhaji is ready. The delicious street food of Bombay is ready to eat. It's really yummy and delicious, and it's a must try.